Hey guys, in today's video, I just want to show you on how to install Windows Spotify in Windows 7. So first of all, usually what people would do to download it, like on newer operating systems, like Windows 10, give me a second here, is they would type in Spotify download, and then it would show the download. It would be the first link, and then usually this is for mobile, but we would go up to download, and then they would click get it from Microsoft, or an alternative link would be download directly from Spotify. So you'd click that. You would think that would work, but it's going to download real quick here. And then you would open it, and then you run it, but then you get this pop-up. The way to go to get it on Windows 7 is to type in Spotify download for Windows. Download for Windows 7. And then you click enter, and then you'll see free download for your platform. You click that, and then you'll see Windows right there, Windows. And then you also got Mac OS, but we're focusing on Windows right now. You click 7, Windows 7, and then it should just show us 7 there, and then let it download here. And then now once it's downloaded, you show it in the folder, of course, and then it'll be the new 7 installer. You right click on it, and then you just open it. Make sure you don't run it as administrator because it won't work. So you click just open, or you just double click on it, and then you run it, and it'll say installing Spotify. And now it should be installed. You shouldn't get that error message. So let me say, I'm just going to show you. So you log in, or you can sign up, whatever you need to do. Thank you for watching. That's it for today's video. Bye.